Hey guys, what's up? Selenium is found in mushrooms which are known for improving the immune system. At the same time, it helps you to reduce the tissue and the cells breakdown.
Welcome to BodyProCoach. That's Praveen and I'm Mehak here. And yes, we are back with another amazing recipe. Today we're going to be doing a Zafrani mushroom tandoori. Wow, it sounds interesting, right? I'm sure it tastes also really nice. Let's see the ingredients and how we go about it. A large mixing bowl, 1 cup mushrooms, 1 cup hung curd, half a cup yellow bell pepper, half a cup green bell pepper, half a cup red bell pepper. Then I have 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, that's optional. We would be using 1 tablespoon of olive oil, again that's optional. Himalayan salt as per taste, ginger garlic paste, and lastly I have some saffron strands. I've put it in 1 tablespoon of water. In a large mixing bowl, we first add 1 cup mushrooms, half a cup yellow bell pepper, half a cup green bell pepper, half a cup red bell pepper, half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, saffron strands, that's in 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and lastly I'm going to add the hung curd to it. That's 1 cup of hung curd. I'm going to mix it nicely and give it a nice toss. So our marination is done. It's really quick. It's less than 15 minutes for the recipe. And it's healthy, it's delicious, contains a lot of fibers, a lot of nutrients. We give it a nice whip. And it's done. We're going to quickly put the same on a baking dish. We're going to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes on 185 degrees Celsius. So our Zafrani tandoori mushrooms are ready, and Praveen is really tempted to eat this.
Yes, very much. So guys, this food is ready. You want to know about a lot more other videos that we have, other recipes on the HIIT, that's about training programs. And that's all you need to keep yourself really fit.
So we have 4 videos which are coming every week.
Yep.
Please stay tuned to our channel. Please subscribe. Please hit that bell button so you get notification of all the new videos which are coming, and stay updated with all our latest posts.
Yes, and you want to definitely share the video with your friends and family. So we'll see you in the next video. Take care.
See you soon.